Hey guys, it's Art from Art's Model Trains. So this past Christmas, my wife got my two sons and I a Christmas present to go to the NASCAR race at Dover Motor Speedway in Delaware. And that race was this past weekend. As part of that, she bought us not only tickets to the race, but also pre-race track passes where you can go on the track, go into the infield and everything before the race. So we wanted to get there nice and early, be able to walk around. So what I did was I threw the boys in the car on Saturday. We drove down there and stayed in a hotel near the racetrack. And as luck would have it, Just Trains was a couple minutes away. So on Saturday afternoon when we got down there, I took the boys over there for an hour to walk around. So I'm going to throw some footage in here. They had some really good stuff. As always, if you guys see something in here, give them a call. I have, and that's over one of my shoulders here, a pink steam engine from MTH that I actually saw them post on Facebook, and I gave them a call and they had it, and I was able to buy it right over the phone. So if you guys see something on one of their postings or in this video, check them out. They always have good deals. They tend to have more MTH, Rail King and Premier than Lionel, but you'll see in this video, they had some really good stuff from both sides. There was actually a Lionel Legacy CNJ Trainmaster. That's the word I'm looking for. That was there as well that I was really tempted for, but I decided not to do that. I just picked up some stuff for scenery since I'm working on my mountain and layout over here, and kept the budget kind of small this time. But it was a great store to visit. Always shop them at shows. I had never been to the store itself, so it was actually pretty neat to do that. And if you guys have not been to a NASCAR race, you really should check one out. They are quite an experience. The adrenaline and the feeling when 40 cars go ripping by you at 190 miles an hour is pretty intense. And just, what other sport would you be at where you're able to put on a headset and listen to the coach and the players talk to each other and talk about their plays and what's going on? It's just such a unique experience and a lot of fun. It was a hot one yesterday. As you could probably tell, I'm a little sunburned, but we had a great time. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage of NASCAR and Just Trains, and I will see you guys again next time. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.